Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we gonna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, with this latest Vybz Kartel and Sicker Rhyme feature, the teacher is putting lyrical dominance on display. But there's one thing I have to point out too. Black Common, at no point in time, viewers and subscribers, did Alkaline or his friends have a more dominant presence in a Black Common than Vybz Kartel and his music. All when him up there par every single day of the week. The people never rate him like that. No, in forward through them show my strength. I'm not going to hear the line that we're going to continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers.
You're the best. Rest of them are paper white. Claim a vice, a baby drive, so you have to pull it up. Maybe twice.
As I said, lyrical dominance is clearly on display. As a matter of fact, I'm going to big up Sicker Rhymes too. Because Sicker Rhymes verse, viewers and subscribers are show lyrical growth. You have some artists, their music stagnant. Is either them going to sing some song and some flow, sound like some flow they would have found them just bust in the game, just a forward in the game. Or them going to use somebody else's flow and cadence. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers and all of the students of the Gaza have always show one thing. We think not stop yes sir. We might forward into the game as amateurs. Because some people like to talk like them born as professionals. Some people like to talk like them born performing on the stage. Even if you were born with musical talent, you have to work and refine the craft, and that's enough for no problem. Because you don't feel like you already know everything. You don't feel like you're already capable of conducting a masterclass. You not try to learn or grow more in the genre, and that's why the music has become somewhat stagnant. Vybz Kartel are the only artist that continue reinventing image, him style, him flow. No phone no want reinvent or show creativity. You just want to get some people ratings. Like you don't want to say, alright, such and such at this age now. So we are going to inherit the ground. And that's how the ground run. And that's how the music industry run neither. You have to put in the work. Recently we see a community wipe him name off of the wall. And I said we don't have nothing to do with him no more. Because as an artist, we don't talk about nothing of the personal nature. We not gonna make no mention of what I'm personally between the artist and these communities. We young like I said this. The reason why they're not champion him cause is because he's an artist. Now that he not put out good music and the people just not feel him flow no more. They must say, you know what? We are gonna remain true to ourselves. And one thing we know about dancehall music has always been run by the Gaza camp. When it wasn't the Gaza camp, it was the alliance of which Vybz Kartel was a prominent member. As a matter of fact, he was the member who put out the hit tracks that people that talk about Bounty as the general forever. But in this day and age, with a whole heap of musical camps, nowadays I've said this, big up the artists them, even the ones who I am not in support of. The facts of them found out in the music industry and bring them friend them. Bring the youth them and them grow up with. And say, right, whether you're going to become a producer or you're going to respond for this, I'm going to try to make you an artist too as well. I have to respect that aspect of their career. But as for the most part, those who make subpar music, no, I am not impressed. No, I am not impressed. See, Vybz Kartel are the only dancehall artists I see. Now, even though I know personally the Vybz Kartel are the best dancehall artist there is currently. When him drop a track I never hear yet, I still have to stop and listen to it all 3-4 times. We have the entire track, but we can't go on the entire track. When we listen to the entire track, viewers and subscribers, we have said, no, yo, the teacher's influence, the teacher's creativity knows no bounds. And as I say, big up every student around the teacher. Sicker Rhyme, the VP, the artist that show say, no, we can grow in the game. We can get better and better over time. Nobody feel like situation we write a song. You can hear a flow, hear a cadence, you can say no, say yo, him can do a little bit better there or this could have different or rare. Nobody feel like we not hear the critique. Nobody feel like we ourselves did not see it and critique the own work and I say no, say right, so we could have go a bit harder. Could have formulate the sentence a different way. Could have structured the sentence a different way. And then articulate that different way. Big up Sicker Rhymes and of course Vybz Kartel. A guys around the world. The new track of viewers and subscribers when it drop. When it drop, and yes, I know the hear the rhythm and I say, wait, the rhythm sound similar to what? Yes. Yeah. At the same rhythm. Whistleem did premiere it. And when Whistleem premiered the rhythm with the teacher track, I don't know, but local radio go up on a pause. Everybody I say, but wait, oh, we not get that track there. Me say zipper car like crazy. I say, wait. Liquid, then you not have that track there. Liquid, I say, no, we not have it, you know. Them not have it because it's a whistle mix. You now can't have it. Or if I have it, a Whistleem production. Now I must say, differently from being radio personnel. Some of these jacks are also producers or label owners. And DJ Whistle. Zayla we are did from your youth. I now go around from your youth, I hear Whistle name on radio. When I see me, I see all this giant person. And it's a cool individual. And I say, big up DJ Whistle. And some, even though I say me, I hear him on radio from your youth, it's not a person who hype up himself. He isn't a person where I go on like say, yo, even though him big in stature, him now go on like him larger than life. I have to respect Whistle for that. As somebody with me I hear on my radio for years. There are some people where I hear on radio and them they really have no persona and a personality, but them hype. Them feel them make them feel them a smarty. They even like listening on radio when me hear them skip them. But yo, them move hype. Like say, yo, them are the biggest thing. Una can't bigger than the music when I play. You always remember that. Una selector, una can't bigger than the music when I select. You never go on like una two. But big up Whistleem. What type of production and put out some of the biggest production. Bounty they tell me. You remember Bounty introduced Whistle to Vybz Kartel and the whole Link family. So that's how the things stay. From them time, the connection has been there from Alliance days. You know? And Whistle one of these jacks will never pick side. When Vybz Kartel would say, alright, we now link with Alliance no more. He never pick side and say, oh, we're gonna stop playing Vybz Kartel music. Because that enough people don't realize this, but at one point in time when Vybz Kartel decided to say, alright, we're gonna do our own thing. There were radio personalities who refused to play Vybz Kartel music. Now, it's more on a different level now. Now we don't necessarily need to send music to the radio personality. They need to call and ask. We have to send them nothing again. Gone are those days. We don't send them the music, them call and ask the music. We don't really need fear pressure secular radio stations now. Don't get it twisted. When your music is being played on a secular radio station, it means that your song is now hit. Yeah, it means that now it hit. But we don't need necessarily a radio station go sit down and wait on DJ to come over and say, yo, what you know, start with the start singing. No, we past that stage. We upload it on the platforms, that's how we have different you know what I mean, channels on the platform we talk to and such, and we have new music and the game has been remixed. You know what I mean? And that has been an effort by not only the artists but also the fans themselves. The fact that we wanted the music in a timely fashion. We couldn't wait for distribution deals to be signed and we couldn't wait for that. We have to give the song them raw right now on YouTube. Maybe go listen to it. And we can interact with them and tell them what we don't like from what we like via the comment section. Say if we don't like the song, we can tell it right away. We don't even have to drop the dislike them. We can just write in the comment section and say, boy, we don't like the rhythm. We don't like the chorus. Or we don't like what you have to say. And that really gave birth to a new form of entertainment. Even right now, we see most entertainers have them own channel where they talk to them fans, the whole interactive vibes. They may even see artists that interview other artists. Now they say it there. But the one called Jayden, she's the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just have to pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, and I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the something of viewers and subscribers, you man now move settings spam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again. Now, the quick recap is Black Common. Vybz Kartel has taken Black Common from Alkaline. And really and truly, Black Common never belonged to Alkaline. He was an artist I passed through because I have a couple high school friends who reside there. You understand? But the community as a whole, just like Rosalie, is in no full support of Alkaline and his endeavors. You know the something go. Yeah, man, I'll move settings from and until the reason again, as I said before, live, love, and prosper.